Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Indian street food Bhelpuri. Let's start with the recipe. Here I have taken a big bowl of puffed rice. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 small potato boiled and cubed, roasted peanuts, and now give everything a very quick mix and add 3 spoons of green chutney, 3 spoons of sweet chutney. The link to the chutneys are in the description box below. Please do check it out. Add salt to taste, finely chopped cilantro, mixture, and now give everything a very good mix. Do not over mix it or else it will become soggy. And finally add some save and transfer it to the serving plate and garnish it with some save and cilantro, and it is ready to be served. To watch my other recipes, click the link displaying on the screen, and for the written recipes, please visit my blog cookwithshrutisajjan.blogspot.com. and if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.